Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. If you want to count the number of columns in a file or string separated by a pipe delimiter in Python, you can follow these steps. I'll provide you with a simple tutorial along with code examples. First, you need to import the required modules. In this case, you'll use the CSV module to handle files with the pipe delimiter. Next, define a function that takes the file path or a string containing data as input and returns the number of columns. Now you can use the count_columns function with your file path or string. Remember to replace the file path or data string with your actual file path or data. This tutorial provides a simple and reusable function for counting the number of columns in a file or string separated by a pipe delimiter in Python. ChatGPT.